Hey, welcome back, everyone. Well, I did figure it out. These cubes that I use to make the base, had to put them down. Down first, because this platform doesn't really attach to anything. I had to call the fighter over, land it over there, fly it over here, and then jump back and forth. But this is what I got so far with it. This is the Sentinel fighter. So far, we're at 446 damage, and this is just using the photon cannon. Hyperdrive range. Oh yes, and that's just so far with a standard hyperdrive. I have not boosted it yet. That's awesome, but the maneuverability is really low. It's only at 621, so it's not quite ready to head out. But this is all I got right now for the photon beam. We have a lot more to go. Now, I still have a lot of that glass on me. Glass and a whole bunch of other stuff. This is all the rejects from that. Actually, what I really need to do is this. I think I still have one more vault I can put in. Let's see. Is there another vault that I didn't do yet? Yeah, there's 3 of them. Okay. Oh, what'd I do? Oh, hit the wrong button as usual. Alright, once we finally go through these, number 5's our reject vault. These we can't use on anything right now. Those will end up selling for nanites. But, yeah, I know you're probably not going to want to hear this. I want to go look for another ship. I know that's an A class, and that's damn good compared to what I've been finding. But I also want to get a better multi-tool. See if we can get better than a B. Because that actually has potential. Because this is what we're working with right now with this. I mean, this only says 449, but I know she's doing a lot more damage than that. It used to say here how much damage they do, and I don't know why it doesn't state that anymore, unless I'm just missing it. Unless there's a setting or something I accidentally turned off. But it used to have a setting, because I know it was up to like 44,000 damage per second. I know the multi-tool tells you right up here with the damage potential. It's 18,405. That's why I want to get an S, because there's supposed to be a better damage on those. And I'm just going to switch over the boltcaster stuff just to see if it's any better, because I know a base S has got to be better. But what I want to do is I'm going to head to the anomaly. We have everything for another little run without having to do the battling. Nope, anomaly's this way. Nope. I know the anomaly's still in our system. What the heck is that? Well, you know what? I don't have to worry about it. I just call it over to him. Oh, there it is. Because there's a thing called a coffee shop. It's actually way too far out, and it's all new, because I've been over there once. Oh, I wasn't watching. Thank God I re-beefed up my shields. The door's on the other side. Oh, I'm gonna break my ship one of these days doing that. Where the heck did the door go? They don't want to let me in now that I smashed into them. I'm not welcome today. Isn't this the door? No, the door's on the other side now. Yeah, smash into it again. Oh, I gotta make sure I have navigational data on me. Because actually, when I first went over there, I didn't have any navigational data on me. And I couldn't call my ship to me. So I ran around the planet for almost an hour till I found some buried treasure to get some navigational data, and then I had to run back. Okay, and it's up here to the coffee shop, or whatever it's called. Perfect Perk Coffee. Because we've been to the 12, or well, I've been to the 12 Towers Castle. I think I brought you guys there. We went to the refueling station. Now we're going to Perfect Perk Coffee. And this is a one-way trip. Like I said, I went to a couple places over here. Didn't really find anything, and I said, that's it. I'm done. I'm going back. I'm bored. Because this, in a way, does get a little boring doing them one right after the other. But this is Perfect Perk Coffee. And as you see, well, at least it didn't last time it put me in underneath this. It doesn't bring your ship to you. You actually have to have some navigational data to bring your ship here. But we'll take a little quick tour. This is really awesome. Whoever built these things. Music could be a little better. No offense. Bit annoying. But you get a nice little view. A little bit better when it's daytime. And you got a expanding cube gadget. Ooh. Yeah. And what looks to be a powder room with a chair instead of a toity. Sink to wash yourself up. Nice little upstairs that for some reason you can't get up this stair without jumping. Still sitting area here. And there's that thing making all the noise. That you can't shut off. And there's really nothing to do in here or get. It's just a very elegant build. And that's pretty much it. And then you got a nice little planet to explore. And a whole new galaxy. And I am glad to be out of there because that jukebox is noisy. Now, I guess this is an extremely populated area. Because there's a lot of... And I'm pretty sure I've been to the space station. There's a lot of markers around that people have put down. But we're going to blast out of here and find something that doesn't say I've been to. It says dissident. And I've extended my warp drive a little bit. So we should have a little bit further we can jump. Right there. It doesn't say we've been there, so let's check it out. Maybe we can get a better than a B on our multi-tool. And then if we get another ship to scrap, so be it. I mean, that's the way I'm looking at it on the ships. Whoa. I guess we got some ships following us in. We got another fight. Hey. Come on, get me out of this so I can fight. Nearby freighters under attack. Yes. Get me out of this so I can engage. There you go. That's why we could do what we came here to do. Instead of just killing pirates. Come on, lock out to him. Is that it? Oh, he's out of range. We'll put him in range. Where are you running? I'm being shot at by the ships. Oh, I must have hit their ship. Oh well, see, that's what happens when you try and help people out. So I didn't come here for you guys anyways. Try to help you guys out, I accidentally hit your ship, and that's what happens. Now I got Sentinel interceptors coming on me. Now I gotta kill a bunch of Sentinels. I just came here looking for free stuff. My pulse engines aren't gonna work. Oh, pulse engines are back online? Okay. I'm gonna come around where's the space station so I can ditch you guys. Oh, it was right there the whole time. I gotta pop in, ditch you guys, and then pop back out. One of the guys came in there at the same time. I'm not helping those guys anymore. Check my ship. Any damaging? No, nothing's damaged. Except for my pride. Let's jump out and save it. Jump back in. Okay, they're all gone. All gone. Okay. Let's do what we came here to do and get out of here. Okay, let's activate one of these.
Navigational data received.
There it is. And the funny thing is, this might not be a corrupted planet. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. One of the planets I went to was not corrupted. It was just high sentinel activity, which I was sort of shocked about because they're all supposed to be corrupted sentinels. It was really weird. Oh, what kind of erupting planet? So this is a volcano planet. I think I've been to every type of planet except for what I would classify a pleasure planet. Which would be like a tropical. Okay, time to go to camp. Alright, grab some free goodies. Got me some nanites. Is that a pistol? Oh no, it's a rifle. Good, because that's what I want. I want the rifle. I'm gonna have to figure out how to find those glyphs. I would have swore I found a bunch of them already. Okay, memory registry. Okay, we got 5, 9, 15. Uh, 5, 9. Okay. I've done this so many times. Yeah, even as exciting as this is to see what you're going to get out of it, it does get a little bit boring too. Because it's like opening up a Christmas present and then being disappointed because you're opening up the same present over and over. I keep opening up these C-class guns and just leaving them. Wow, that was weird. It just like it threw me around there. Okay, what are we going to get this time? Oh my god! We got an S-class! Oh yeah, we are definitely taking this bad mamma jamma. Compare. Oh, we got an exchange. I got too many? Okay, what we got to do is switch our gun. Wrong one. Swap guns. Not new toy. It was one of these. Either one of these. Let me see. Yeah, these are both the B. Both of these are identical. So I got too many toys. Wait a minute. What's going on? Didn't I get it? Oh, okay. Whew. That is our new toy. We did get the S-class. Oh my god, 2,000 starting? Yeah, but you know what? This thing is starting off at 2,000 damage and 288. Scanner. Let me show you this. Oh, I don't even know if I still have it anymore. Yeah, this is the one. This one here. This one, when I picked this thing... Oh, no, it ain't this one. Where in the heck did this come from? There was one that I picked up that was 3,200 when I first got it. So I don't know how these things are actually working, but all right, put badass back on. This is the one that's doing 18,000. Oh, maybe we got the good planet. Okay, let's get some radiation in us. Okay, yeah, we'll take your Pugmum, or whatever it's called. And I just leave him. I don't even talk to him anymore. Okay. Did we ask for the location? I can't remember. I'm just so excited right now. Oh, yeah, I guess we did. And we're going to fix it. Tulip. Oh. Is that way? Oh, if we get an S-class ship, I'm going to be so excited. Oh my god, I could retire. Wait a minute, I am retired, sort of. Oh, you're on the edge of a hill. But I don't have that kind of luck. This is not going to be an S-class. And it looks like a tug. Oh, yeah. Maybe. Oops. Run into the camera. Might be some kind of fighter. Alright, where's the dying guy in the ground? I got brain from him one time. Some kind of brain. Right there. Walker brains. Thanks. Okay. Well, it's a B class. I don't know. It depends on what it looks like once we get the brain in it, whether we keep it or not. Unless I'm maxed out on ships. If I'm maxed out on ships, then it's just going to sit here. Because I'm not losing my speeder. This thing, the scrap is, well, last time I looked, it was 109 or 119 mil. But that was before I put some more S-class upgrades in it. Since I've been jumping around from space station to space station. Oh, I might as well just do this. I don't know if getting any more of those words is going to make a difference. I'm already at 100% on them. Uh-oh. Go away, dude. But I still want the words. Pretty soon I'll be speaking fluid language. Who needs babble? Wait, this was a close one, too. Most of them, I gotta fly halfway across the planet. Well, maybe it's gonna be an expensive ship. I don't even know why I'm doing this, so you only need one ship. I mean, I've had pirates destroy my ship in the beginning, And you only lose your contents of your ship. It's not like your ship is destroyed and you have to take a reserve ship.
Technology prepared.
Okay. It starts off at 260 damage, 340 maneuverability. Let's see, compare. Okay, I can claim it. I don't have to worry about losing it. Whoa! 77 mil? I guess beefed up this thing would probably be worth pretty good. But we got that A class. I want an S class. So scrapping this thing will probably get some decent stuff. Oh, it's got a... What if I can remove this? It's got a B class phase beam. Starship energy weapon. Yeah, I got the A class. Of course we're going to claim it. We'll take it to the space station and... I mean, it's just a box. I mean, nothing fancy. I think I've had one of these boxes already. Alright, where's space station? Oh, maneuverability. Ain't got no maneuverability. Yep, this is gonna be scrap. It's ugly. I don't even know if I classify this thing a shuttle. But it was fun. Actually, that one that I kept, what was that, 90-something thousand? Or 90 million? At least that one looks sort of cool. That one looked like a beetle. This one just looks like a... It looks like a garbage truck. If you think about it. Okay, we'll scrap it. See what's in the space station. Then maybe we'll run one more. Take a jump to another galaxy. We got our S-Class multi-tool, so we really don't need another multi-tool. Okay. I know you're not going to give me the 77, so... Yeah, 50... Yeah, it says it's worth 77, you only give me 54. I don't know how to get full price for these things, but... There you go. All kinds of junk. Do you got an upgrade in here for me? Yes, you do, because I've never been here. Yep, I'll take it. I need all the storage space I can get. And then what do you got? This is what I've been doing. I've been spending all the nanites I've been getting. Looking for suit upgrades. And most of the time I have to come back and resell them. Toxic protection, movement. I don't know how many of these movement things I can get. No, I think I got all the S ones I can get. I know you can get better than on some things. But I don't want to spend 600 nanites just to get another 2%. Am I in the right one? Yeah, ships are back there. Phase beam, no. Pulse engine, that's what I'm looking for. Photon cannons.
Product received.
And give me the pulse engine.
Product received.
That is for our new toy. And... yeah, what do you got? I forgot the name of the thing I'm putting into the new toy. Neutron cannon, plasma. Is it the pulse spitter? Oh no, I'm going to use the same thing I'm using in this one. Okay, I got my toy down here. Yep, there's my toy. Okay. Let me throw this into the toy. And off we go. Now, I would try it again in this system, but I've already done that once and I wasted it. Okay, here we go. Another system. Oh, right there. I can't believe I got myself an S-Class. An S-Class ship would just top off the day. And no fighting. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let's see. Can I hit that from here? Right here. And
Alert. Navigational data received.
that way? Oh, right there in front of me. Yep, it is a Sentinel planet. I just wanted to check because, like I said, some of these, or at least one so far, it just said high Sentinel activity. And I wish I could just do the brain thing, do the brain scan, but you can't. The brain scan just sends you to that little monolith thing. You have to go through that little encampment. Alright, get my free goodies. Well, those aren't... Oh, that's where I'd be getting all the tainted metal. I thought I was getting nanites. That's another rifle, too. Oh, don't let it be another S class, because I might grab it just for the heck of it. And get rid of that other B. Okay. Okay, 494. And someone said you don't have to put these in order, so let's find out. Oh, oh no, no. Huh, I guess so. Alright, we'll see what that multi-tool is, just for the heck of it. And just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that other B-class multi-tool. Okay. Uh, is it this one? Double check. Yep, it's this one that's all broken. That's C-class, okay. Let's put a good one back on in case we need it. Okay.
Weather warning. Incoming storm.
Okay. I like storms. Is it rain? It's probably acid rain. You got brain? Nope. You got fungus. Or whatever this is. I bet that guy don't like me anymore. I just take his stuff and I run. Wow, I parked the ship directly facing that thing. Alright. No whammies. Give me a good one. Give me a good one so we can go home the quick and easy way. Just teleport from space station. Well, I think this is acid rain. I didn't look to see what kind of planet this was. Oh! I just noticed how far away. Yeah, see, this is what they normally send me on. Halfway around the planet. I like wasting my fuel. Oh, see, it's nice and green looking. Uh-oh. Is this the right place? Yeah, it is. Oh. You know, like I said, you guys don't see that when it pops up on my screen, but I do. Drives me nuts. And it doesn't hurt it, but... Oh, yeah, where's that guy at? What you got for me? Ooh! Quad servos. Something else I've been hanging on to, because I don't know what they're for. I think I got about 100 of them. Oh, it's an A-class. It's a hunter. Oh, we might keep that, or we might scrap it. I think that's what we have, is a hunter. Exosuit brain. Pump that baby out. Actually, I might end up keeping this hunter, too. And it's beating up my hull. Oh, yeah, look at it. It's messing up my uniform now. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, how do you get up there? I can't see. Oh, it's not up there, that's why. Come on, give you the brain. You got the brain. Okay, that was quick.
Weather update. Storm clearing.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. We didn't like that acid rain. It was messing up my paint job. Okay. What do you mean weather clearing? It's still raining. It looks like a Cylon Raider. It's white and black, a little purple on it. Not bad. Okay, here's your brain. That's an A Hunter. Yeah, so we can claim this one too. 81,000. Yeah, we're gonna claim it. We might keep it. Let me get inside you. Can't tell. It's got phase beam. Oh, the hell we got. Well, see, I think that's what ours had was pilot interface. Yeah, it looks like the same exact equipment. It is. This is the same exact equipment as the one at the base. Same equipment. And I think the supercharged slots are in the same spot too. I don't need another A. I want an S. Yep, this is what it is. Now, granted, we have this one looks nicer. I like the darker color. But we already started working on the other one. I'm not gonna take this back and try and swap everything around to sell the other one. We'll just go with it. We'll sell this one. Eventually I'll find an S, or if this is just a temporary thing they're doing, it'll get over with soon. Where is... Oh, there it is. I just seen it light up. Space station. Oh, I didn't lock on that. Did I? Well, actually, looking at the colors now. That's why I wish I was doing a live feed. I'd ask you guys, what do you think? No, you know what? I'm just gonna get rid of it. Because we should be able to get some decent parts off this that we can scab onto the other one. We'll get some nanites, and hopefully the space station here will have some upgrades for our other one. Color ain't gonna make a difference when we're fighting. But this is the exact same model. Exact same model, just different coloring. I think we're gonna hit the planet. Oh, there's a space station right there. I don't think we were locked on. Now we are. Hey, it just wants me to crash into him. First I hit the anomaly. Now I'm gonna hit the space station. This is a gorgeous color though. I like the green in there, little purple. It's got the eye's okay. But hey, sometimes you just gotta let things go and hope for something better. And I really shouldn't be hanging on to it for the color. We want that S-Class. Bye-bye, baby. Only 57. Oh, come on. The Junkers were giving us that. I know there might be somebody out there going, "Oh, what'd you do that for?" But hey. And we got another slot in their spot. Right there. Man, oh man, I'm getting down to 18 of these things. Is this going up? No, it's still 200. Okay, anything else? You guys got anything that I might need? I might want? Nope, but we gotta check the guy down here. Well, what do you have? Anything good? Photon cannon, right? That's what we're looking for, photon cannons? I think that's what we're looking for. I think, yeah. I'm wrong. Pulse engine. Yeah, we'll take that. It's an S. That's all you have? Okay. So I'm trying to keep everything in an S, no matter what class we get. Oh, that's a weird looking gun. I don't want it. I have an S. Just wanted to see what it was. And what kind of upgrades you got? Bolt caster, I need that. Okay. Alrighty, well, this is where I'm going to leave you guys. We made 2 runs. We did get our S-Class multi-tool, which is a big plus. I am going to head back using the teleporter. And we still got our baby here until we get the other one. I could take everything off this, but I feel she has earned it. She's earned all of this. And I got a bunch of stuff I gotta sell. I got 4 million in that. 96 million here. 9 million in there. Oh. I got a whole crap load of them things now from scrapping. So if we ever get the S-Class ship upgrade modules, oh yeah, I think we have 10 or 15 of them things already from scrapping ships. Ooh, we did get... This is from scrapping this ship, that ship we just did. We got a hyperdrive and a ship shield. And we also got a B hyperdrive. So that was worth it. Oh, I didn't even see all this. Suspicious package. That gave us a neutron cannon. That'll get scrapped. Well, not scrapped. It goes in our scrap pile. Of one of these days, take it in for nanites. I still got 18,000 nanites. I get into a mood and I start taking stuff in, and I stop doing the ships, but I'm gonna have to start fighting sentinels again because these are getting really low. These were all the way out to here, and I didn't have these in here. Recycled circuitry. Oh wow, how'd they get over there? But then I started doing all the ships, and these got all dwindled down. But I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And I do appreciate that. Any comments? I'll take any and all comments. I'll take any and all help. And I think I'm going to start working on those glyphs. And I might, which I really don't want to, but I might head over to, once I get the glyphs, to where people have said, I am in the Euclid galaxy. Oh, didn't even realize that. To where people have said that there are S-class ships that you can get. So stay tuned for that once I figure out how to find the glyphs. But thank you very much for watching, and as always, enjoy whatever games you guys play, and I will catch you on the next No Man's Sky. This is Gmo signing out for now. Until next time. All right, everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye.